Hello, my name is Sophia. This is Carolyn.
Yeah.
And we are going to show you a video today of my dad snoring. I know. He's ready. And that is my dad snoring. And that's all I wanted to say today, okay?
Wait, see her cage.
First, I want to show you my lizard cage photo. And here's my lizard cage. Big, huge, like 5-foot cage. My lizard's in there somewhere. Oh, he's over here sleeping. You probably can't see him because it's so dark in there. But yeah, that's the cage. And that's all I wanted. Oh.
We're kind of passing the
That's all I wanted to say today. Okay? Bye.
Bye.